What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the full option air freshener Le Bull. Let's begin. First, remove the collar by turning Le Bull clockwise. Then, put the scented donut inside the freshener. Get your favorite fragrance oil and apply it into the donut. Then, you attach the collar back to the head and turn it slightly counterclockwise until you hear the lock. Next, you attach the magnetic vent clip to the back of Le Bull. Lastly, plug your Le Bull into your air vent and you're done. Le Bull comes in 7 different colors: chrome silver, rose gold, gold, matte black, satin black, cherry red, gray. Our premium fragrance oils are phenomenal. That's all for your full option air freshener. Thanks for watching, and remember to always go full option.